Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok service not available. So guys, when you try to open your TikTok app in your iPhone or in your Android device, you will see this type of error. I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you use your TikTok app in your device. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, and now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now go back and click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this guys, you need to set your date and time on automatically, and after this go back. So now you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and if you're using Android device, you need to open Play Store, and here you need to search TikTok. So after searching it, open your TikTok and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, you need to update your app first. And after doing update, you need to go back. Now you need to open your settings again. Scroll it down, click on general, check for iPhone storage and scroll it down. From here, click on TikTok and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing all these settings, you need to go back and open your TikTok, check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem after doing all these methods, then no need to worry. You have to open your TikTok app, click on main profile icon, click on three lines, and click on settings and privacy, and after this click on report a problem. And now you need to scroll it down, and here you guys you will see the option of account and profile, and after this you can see login. And now you need to click on here the option of others and click on need more help, and here you need to contact with your TikTok support team and you have to tell your problem that you will see again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.